beautiful, Hannah. The telescope really lets you bring it up close. They just don't give you enough time. Have you got another quarter?
You've gone through all my change. Here, you can use my telephoto lens.
Great. I want to check out that mountain before we climb it.
You hardly need a telescope to see it. It's as big as a skyscraper.
I just want to get a close look at what we're getting into.
Listen, Sir Edmund Hillary, we'd better be getting along if you plan on making the climb before nightfall.
Onward! The challenge awaits!
Aw, give me a break.
Still playing with magnets, eh, Quincy?
Playing with magnets? My dear boy, I'll have you know that magnetic energy is the basis for the power boost I've been able to manufacture into those Magna cars.
I'm afraid to ask, but how did magnets do all that?
If you place the magnets in this direction,
They attract each other. Now there's a news flash.
and by changing the direction of one of the magnets, they repel each other, moving by themselves.
Magnetic energy.
Precisely! But by using much more powerful magnets constantly rotating, we end up with a powerful and clean energy force that translates into a new form of propulsion. At the same time, using the repelling force of the Earth's own magnetic field to levitate the car. By making subtle changes to our blast car, I've created the Magna car.
A master stroke, since the only cars that can compete in the race for the future are cars that are non-polluting.
I'm glad someone around here appreciates my genius.
Mr. Valiant, we're here to test your car's emission system.
I think you'll find our Magna cars conform with the rules of qualification.
The car's floating!
Magna, to be precise.
He say we give him a little demonstration.
Go for it.
Sure saves wear and tear on the tires.
It must be a trick. They must do it with mirrors.
Actually, they do it with magnets.
Very impressive. But we still have to check the exhaust fumes. Where's the exhaust pipe?
There isn't any. The car runs on magnetic power.
Absolutely amazing. When will you go into mass production?
This is only the prototype, but we're working on it. Someday, everyone will own a non-polluting car.
Well, I don't know about the future, but for the present, your car certainly qualifies for the race.
All right, boys. You've had your fun. Shut them down so Quincy and I can make our final check.
Quick, before someone spots us.
I can't wait to make it to the top. We're gonna have a fantastic view for the race.
By the time we get up there, the race could be over.
Just remember to stay in touch with Pops. You know how he worries.
Right. We'll see you after the race. Good luck.
Excellent, Okabe-san. This electric car meets our non-polluting qualifications. Fine. Both the steam-driven car and the solar energy vehicle are non-polluting. They're qualified for the race. I didn't think ethanol could achieve this kind of result.
It's a combination, half synthetically made and half extracted from genetically engineered corn at Team Leader Laboratories.
Team Leader can be very proud of himself.
Oh, I assure you we are.
So, how'd it go?
The chumps bought it hook, line, and sinker.
We're in!
Not only are we in, but we were congratulated for our energy-efficient cars.
When we hit the hidden switch and turn our cars over to the high-powered gas mixture in the auxiliary tanks, we'll blow those alternative fuel wimps out of the race!
Just make sure you do it when none of the race officials are around. If they get wind of us using polluting fuel, we'll be disqualified.
The ones who are gonna be out of this race is Team Valiant, and I'm gonna be the one to put him out.
Are you crazy, Kramer? All we need is for the race officials or some other driver to see those gadgets.
Ah, don't get twisted. I was just having a little fun.
Save it for the race, bonehead.
You know, Ruth, one of these days you're gonna push me too far.
Better talk it over with the leader, huh? What do you say, Kramer? You game? I thought so. Now get over to the driver's briefing area with Fox and try to pretend like you're listening. The leader wants it to look like we're going strictly by the book.
How much further?
Just another half a mile. I want to be sure we're far enough away that we aren't seen.
You worry too much, little man.
With what you've got inside this tanker, I've got good reason to worry.
I could be arrested for letting you dump toxic chemicals in the park.
Quit complaining. You're getting paid enough.
They always think they're such hot stuff.
Yeah? Well, this is our big chance to burn him!
I want to welcome you drivers and news people to the Race to the Future, the first fuel-efficient auto race in history. We're purposely holding this race here in the beauty of the forest to show that with a little effort, humanity and nature truly can live together on this planet.
Unlike me and Valiant.
We remind you that this is a non-competitive race in which everyone is a winner. The object is to show that all of your alternative energy cars can handle the race course.
I wonder how he'll handle it when we're the only ones who finish the race, thus demonstrating once again the superiority of Team Leader.
Can't you guys move any faster?
Maybe you need a shower to cool down.
Hey! Oh, watch it with that stuff!
Stop, Sweat.
Everyone's over in the parking lot watching the start of the race. We'll be out of here just as soon as we finish paying our respects to Mother Nature.
You look like you're 1,000 feet up.
You know, Hannah, for the great outdoors, it stinks like rotten eggs around here.
Must be some sort of natural gas or something. Let's climb higher and get above it.
The Big Tree Hotel, the starting point for the Race for the Future Alternative Energy. The cars are all on the starting line, and the race is about to begin. So let's go to the starting line.
I don't believe what I saw. Kramer and Fox are actually following the rules. They let those cars pass without interference.
Then I'm not dreaming. Perfect! We're in last place. Phase 1. Lose the eye in the sky.
Michael Vaillant and Steve Warson lead the others in this friendliest of all races. It's great to see these drivers maintaining the spirit in which this race was.
Alan, we've lost our audio.
What?
I'm not getting anything.
Just great. Well, there's no sense going on. Mark, take us down.
Bye-bye, boys!
Time to switch to good old high-octane petrol.
Hannah, you okay?
Hanging in there. But the sooner we get to the top of this rock... Frank, did you see this hawk? It looks sick.
Careful, hawks can be dangerous.
This bird's not going to be dangerous to anyone. This is weird, Frank. This bird has that same rotten egg smell we smelled before.
Rotten eggs, huh? Hold on, I'm coming down. Hope you don't mind me dropping in.
Cute, Frank.
Let me have your camera for a second. A tanker truck.
But tanker trucks aren't allowed in the park.
Neither's what that truck's got in it, if my guess about that smell is right. Let's check it out.
I've got a feeling your electric car's about to short circuit, pal.
One down.
and the sun is over, chump.
Talk about a smooth ride. This Magna car is the only way to go.
Michael, you copy?
Gotcha, Dad.
Something's going on. The other cars in the race have broken down.
All of them?
Not quite. Besides you and Steve, take a wild guess who else is left.
Fox and Kramer.
How'd you ever guess?
Just a hunch. I knew it was too good to be true. Time to see what these Magna cars can really do.
You take Watson. I've got Valiant.
Can't shake him.
You're not getting rid of me, Valiant. Where you go, I go. I've waited a long time for this. Here it comes.
All right, Fox, you want to play follow the leader? You got it.
Gotcha now.
That's it, Kramer. Keep on me.
What? We can't be at the finish line already? Team leaders using high-octane gasoline. That's it. They're disqualified.
They're dumping toxic waste.
That's it. We're finished. It's safe to take off these masks now. Here's your money. Nice doing business with you.
We'll see how nice it is when these pictures make the front page.
Let's get out of here.
Mister, you've got a lot of explaining to do.
Michael, do you read me?
I hear you, Frank. How come you and Hannah aren't here?
It's a long story. And if you don't stop the truck I'm on before it gets out of the north exit, I might never get to tell it to you.
We'll cut him off in the tunnel. Frank, you ready?
Do it!
You okay?
Yeah, but I think I'll stick with something safe, like stunt driving.
Come on, Frank. We've got some trophies to pick up and some toxic waste to clean up.